Hi everybody and welcome back to Apple Cottage. This is Sandy. Now usually on Tuesday and Thursday morning I do gardening together. But this morning I didn't do gardening together because I have been so incredibly busy. I have been making masks. And I didn't really plan on making masks. I planned on just making the ones that for us and for my parents and some other family members. And I just posted one day on Facebook that these are the masks that I was given to my parental units. And I got order after order after order after order. It was craziness. It's still craziness. I have more to do tomorrow. And I have literally been working on masks about 12 hours a day. And it has just consumed my life. Now, I don't mind making the masks because, you know, people need them. People don't have sewing machines. They don't have material. You can't buy things like that at the store right now. And I just didn't, it was just a shock to me at how many masks people would order from me. And I have been wanting a hydroponic system for a very long time. And I thought, well, perhaps with the orders I'm getting, I could justify buying that hydroponic system. And I got this system, the IG Works. The boxes started coming yesterday. And then I got more in the afternoon. And then I got more tonight. And so there's boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes and packages. That's rock wool over there. And tomorrow, because I've been letting the boxes sit because we are living in a crazy world right now, and I just thought, I think it's probably better just to let it sit for a while before I open it. And so tomorrow, I'm going to do a whole video on assembling my hydroponic system. Now, one of our daughters has one of these systems. And I have loved it since the day she got it. She absolutely loves it. And they have done hydroponics for a long time, but this system is just phenomenal. And it's made to go inside. And it comes with everything. And I thought, I'm going to do a video, I'm putting it all together, and then I'm going to show you things that I'm going to grow. And it's just another option for us. Because we live in a crazy world. And I wanted to be able to have vegetables all year round in more than just a few little vegetables. I wanted to be able to have salads and herbs and things all the time. And so I have sold so many masks at $4 a piece is all, that I've paid for about 3/4 of this system so far. And I have given lots of masks away besides the ones that I sold. And so I thought, this is a good project for me. Can't go anywhere. Some days it's warm outside in Wyoming, but we're getting snow again this weekend. Not a lot, 3 or 5 inches. First they were saying 10 to 15, but now it's down to 3 to 5. But this is just a little sneak preview of my system. And I have been so tempted to open the boxes. But they came through the mail, and a lot of it came through UPS, and I just thought, you're better off letting your boxes sit for a little bit. But I thought I'm excited about it. And after working actually over 12 hours today doing masks, I thought, I need to just do a little video, or they're wondering what happened that I didn't do a gardening together. But I just thought I'd share. It's late already and I am headed off to bed. But in this time that we have extra time. You know, we're not so busy driving, going here and there. And I have been really pondering things to do to make myself as a suburban homesteader even more sustainable. So, the hydroponic system. So this is Sandy at Apple Cottage. I hope you have a great day. Tune in tomorrow, and we're going to unbox it in the afternoon, so the video should be up tomorrow night so you can see the whole system. It is absolutely the most fabulous system I have seen. So, tune in, and I will see you later.